Hi guys, welcome back to the Smokies. Today I need to cut down a couple of trees. This one here, and there's one over there. Not very big, but I think they died when we put the well in and it disrupted the roots or something. So they're dead. I don't want them to fall on the driveway or get close to the house. So we're going to cut them down, and I thought I'd bring you along to see what it looks like. So to cut down the tree, I'm going to use my Makita battery-powered chainsaw. Works awesome, actually. You wouldn't believe how well it works, and it does have decent battery life. So what I'm going to do with this tree is cut it in the way that I've seen YouTubers cut it, and looking online on the appropriate way to cut down a tree. So I want the tree to fall that way, and so what I'm going to do is cut a notch on the front side, and then I'm going to cut just above where the notch is, about an inch or two. I'm going to cut the back cut, and what that does is it creates a hinge, and if you do it right, it helps you direct the tree on where you want it to fall. So when you look at a chainsaw, you'll see that there's a line that they put on it, and so basically is if you point this line to where you want it to fall, it'll fall in that direction if you do everything right. So I did move some cars out of the way. I'm going to try to get a couple angles of the shot, but let's give it a shot and see how it goes. Not bad.